It really is an information war. I don't think I've ever really seen it as clearly as I do talking to you right now. Um, I mean, it really is. And the people that control that information can influence real actions on the ground, from protests to elections to, economic influence to panic to hate and those that control that information through a censoring way or any other way. I mean, they control the outcome. It's more so than any time in history, and it's dangerous.
Well, you look at Mao Zedong, and he had essentially created this idea of people's war. And it's really political and ideological warfare, and he used that to essentially take a weaker force and undermine and overthrow the much more powerful, the much more financially resourced and technologically capable Chiang Kai-shek and Nationalist Party. In many ways, the Chinese Communist Party has adopted or adapted this concept of people's war to the information age. And it's so powerful because we built the capability for that to be beamed into democracies everywhere. I mean, the Soviet Union could never have so much influence on, we were afraid of it. We were afraid of the influence, the whole McCarthyism bit and everything. But now it's true. The power is there, and we know it's there. We see it every single day. So it's really, as you take a step back, and when I talk to people about what I've been through over the last 6 years or so, studying what the Chinese were doing, at the Pentagon, and being in China for the second time, and really seeing the new Xi Jinping led regime, and really thinking about this hard at the White House, we talk about taking the red pill or the blue pill, like on the Matrix. Once you take that red pill and you see what's going on in the world, then you can't unsee it, and it really becomes something that you're concerned about. I wake up every single day wondering how we're going to get out of this, and I'm hopeful that more people will take the red pill and be able to actually see what's going on around us, and really begin to come together and work on solutions that preserve our digital freedoms.